Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. Now we are gonna show how we can extrude some surface without using a sketch. So let's go here to extruded surface, and now here we have to select an existing sketch or plane or planar face, or we have to select a 3D face. So let's select this surface like this, and now we have here a starting location, and this is phase 1, this surface. Here we have to choose our end location. Let's go with Spline, let's go with 50 millimeters, and let's click OK. And we got some warning that we have to specify direction of extrusion if we use 3D sketch or face. So let's click OK, and let's exit. Now we have to create some line to specify the direction of extrusion. So let's go to sketch, and then let's choose 3D sketch. Let's go with line from this point to here, like this. Now we can exit sketch, and now let's select surface, and let's choose the surface again. Go back to extruded surface. So this is our starting location, and our end location will be Spline 50 millimeters. But here we can choose direction of extrusion. So let's click here, and let's select this line. And now we can see the preview. Let's click OK. And this is our extrusion that we got without using a sketch. So we used only an existing surface. Now let's go here to our surface extrude to. Right click and edit. And let's check here cap end. And let's close this surface. So let's check this and OK. And now we see that we have a cap here and it with the cap here. Now let's here choose section view. And we see we don't have a solid body, because when we use a sketch and we created a surface and we used a cap both sides, we got a solid body. But here we didn't get a solid body. As we see, we still have a surface. Now let's exit. So if we want to get a solid body, we have to go back to surface, extrude to, edit feature, and here we have a knit result. Let's check this. And now let's click OK. Now if we go to section view, we see that we have a solid body now. So remember, we can extrude surface without using a sketch. We can use some other surface or plane or face. As well, if we want to get a solid body, when we use extrusion from existing surface, we have to use a knit result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little useful and helpful.